Hey YouTube, it's Justin the Snap-on Junkie. How the fuck are you guys doing today?
I took her to the pad and we started to kiss. Now my dick's on hard, you know what I'm thinking. Took the panties off and the pussy wasn't stinking. Pulled off my drawers and I started to begin. Now the pussy's wet, so my...
Well, today guys, this video is going to be about how to fix electrical junkie style. So I'll show you kind of what we got going on here. If you watched the Snap-on video the other week or the other day or whatever the fuck, whenever I get all this shit edited, all right, I showed you these electrical wires right here, and this is for the blower control switch. So this is a new one right here. That's an old one. So what we have to do is I got a pigtail here. We gotta replace all this shit. Replace this switch because it's probably melted. Again, now on these Sterling dump trucks, I'm going to give you guys a little secret. If you own any of them, or if you ever buy one, let's just say, these are the same. This is all the same components as in like a stock F-350 Ford. So you can get all the stuff from Ford, if you will. So let's set you over here. Now I gotta try to work around you guys. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is we're gonna take fucking this thing apart. Let's see here. I think these are T20s. Ha ha! T20 fellas. Use our handy dandy snap-on drill gun and do all this shit. Fuck yeah. Alright, now we got a problem. Fuck. I think this is 7 mil. Fucked up here. Yeah, I got one 7mm one. I thought that's what I had going on here. Luckily I came prepared using a little Nepros mini ratchet. Things are pretty badass, man. Alright. So as you can see here, yeah, switch all fucked up. So now what we need to do is figure out, okay, so I know that this one goes right there, so we're going to cut that off. I kind of do this one at a time here, just because, you know, I don't have a schematic there. And then hopefully we got the right wire gauge out here. Oh no, I gotta go get different ones. This is 16 gauge or 14 gauge here. Now I'm using my Snap-on, I like these style electrical crimpers. Let's see here. I don't think this is gonna fit. No. Alright. I'll be right back, guys. Had to get the 16 to 14s there. Now I like these ratchet style crimpers. I don't know if you guys like these here, but I do. Alright. There's that one. Let's get this one. What the? I know this is 14 gauge here. Get in there. Get the fuck in there. There we go. Alright. Oh. Now let's let's make sure. Oh yeah, good and tight. Okay, so now we got that one. Now what we want to do is cut this one right here, and we know that that one goes to up here, so we'll cut this one off. Where do we cut that motherfucker off? There we go. So a lot of, you know, working on shit, you know, I mean, you know, I know that I'm probably not the greatest fucking mechanic out there, but, you know, it is what it is. I try, you know, and I think that's the most important thing, guys. Because, you know, with this line of work, you know, nobody's gonna fix this shit for you, is kind of what I found. Like, you know, we'll talk about it when we get to the brake video, but, man, nobody, you know, nobody's gonna help you out. I mean, everybody's just, you know, they always want money from you, or some shit like that. Nobody's gonna come and fix your junk for free, I can tell you that right now. And, you know, when you have a lot of junk, like I got, you know, I got pretty much garbage here. These trucks are getting old and a little worn out. Alright. So now, let's do, this is the bottom one. You know, these trucks are just getting a little old. I mean, this thing's an 05. I really have a decision to make at the end of the year, and I don't know what decision to make, what the right decision is going to be. I'm not like quitting the trucking business. What I'm trying to do is, I'm getting tired of fixing all this just little dumb shit, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm thinking about, oh, what the fuck? I'm thinking about either trading this truck in or getting something different, because the stuff is just getting a little old, and you know, I'm having to do more and more of this shit all the time, is fixing fucking trucks, you know. But another way to look at it is that if I get it all fixed up, then I don't have to maybe fix it again. But it's just an idea that I'm throwing around. You know, who really knows? Just, you know, you gotta work on all this shit all the time. And like tonight, I could be out making money, but, you know, my employees gotta make money too. So, you know, if this truck is not, you know, if I don't have the air conditioning fixed tomorrow, you know, the air conditioning works, but the blower didn't work. That's what we're fixing here. But, you know, then what they do is they start, I kind of figured them out. What these truck drivers do is that they start, if you don't fix the shit right away, what they start doing is they start nitpicking other things in the truck, is what I've noticed. Oh, what the fuck? You know, they just start picking things slowly apart. Like, they'll be like, oh man, this is fucked up, this is fucked up. And then they get all mad and they just bring it home. So it ends up costing you more money. But, you know, what do I know? Man, what the fuck here? This has got to be the right. There we go. You know, that's what they do. So I got them figured out. So that's why I try to fix all this shit when it goes bad. But, you know, the hardest thing about this trucking business is getting parts. I don't know whatever you guys do, if you have the, you know, it's like working on cars, hard to get parts for shit, you know, because like working on trucks is almost fucking impossible to get shit. Like, you gotta know a motherfucker. Oh, shit. You know, I don't know if that's like that in the car business. Maybe somebody out there could let us know in the comment section. I probably know too that I'm gonna get told I'm doing this fucking wrong and all this horse shit. I know it. I know it, guys. I fucking know it. You know what? I don't care. This is my YouTube channel, you know, and all that shit. All I care about, you know what I'm saying, is that the shit works and I ain't gotta fuck with it ever again. So that's what we're trying to do here. You know, and I'm not the greatest electrician, never claimed to be. So now that we got that, let's see that here. Now we need to go get a new switch. Let me go get that new switch, because I don't think I brought it out here, or did I? Oh, I did. I did. Sorry. Alright, now we need this one. Yeah, we'll put this one here. You know it's a Ford because it uses 7mm shit. And I probably don't have the right length bolt for this, but it just holds it in there so it doesn't turn out. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now what we got to do is plug this in. What we'll do is we'll just dummy this up real quick. This shit up. Oh yeah. Also, guys, I'd like to take a minute here while I'm screwing this shit in. Have you guys watched that Mike Tool Shed video? Any of his channel stuff? I've been talking to him, and I'm trying to get him to show his face. So, you know, I don't know if anybody else wants to see what he looks like, but I do. So I would like to see what his face looks like. Let's see what we got here. Oh. I hooked it up right. We're blowing. Let's see. Okay guys, we got the blower working all 3 speeds, so I'm going to put this back and I'll charge the AC, but other than that, as you can see, we finished up the electrical project. I showed you a little bit there of me charging the air conditioning on this fucking thing. I still got to take it apart and get one more line fixed. I got a line leaking, that's why it loses Freon. But I thought I'd take this time to tell you guys, do you guys clean up everything in between projects, or am I the only psycho that does that? And a guy asked why I was using brake clean last time. I was out of the Citrusella shit. I had 12 cans, and somehow 3 cans magically disappeared. I don't know, you know, they just grew legs and walked the fuck off. So we got somebody that, you know, is helping themselves to my fucking shit. But that's another story for another day. But I just wanted to ask that question, if you guys clean up everything after, you know, each job and all that shit. I like to, just to get organized before I start another project, kind of clean up everything. And plus what this does is this makes sure you don't fucking lose anything. So that's what I like to do. Again, for cleaning tools, this shit is really great right here. Schaefer's Citrusella. You can buy this off Amazon. It's like $168 a case. Well worth it though. It's expensive, but everything that Schaefer sell is fucking high dollar, boys. I'm telling you that right now. I'm drinking water. If anybody would like to know, I prefer the Fiji over the Ice Mountain, but I have Fiji at home. I don't bring Fiji down here because, again, it'll probably grow legs and walk away, but that shit's burning me up. So like always, guys, visit all my social media, Patreon account. That really helps support this channel. Helps me stay really motivated, really. And what else do we got? You know, Instagram, the Snap-on Junkie on Facebook, the Snap-on Collectors on Facebook. Let's see, what else? Fuck, I think that's about it. You know, like always, guys, thanks for watching. You know, we're going to move on to this brake project next. But anyway, thanks for watching this video on how to do some wiring shit, you know. And I'm sure I'm going to get a fucking lot of troll comments. But fuck it. So, see you guys on the next one.